asynchronous cam follower. This is the actuator from my Maytag washer that's once again failed. Same cause. This synchronous motor connects to this lever, which raises and lowers a gear set that will enable the wash plate and the drone itself. That circle is where the pin that drove that lever back and forth was connected. It rides inside of this track on the cam. You'll see it snapped off and it's laying inside of there, so it's not going to move this back and forth. The other side of it is the feedback, which is this lever. So this is moving back and forth, telling the machine that everything is normal, even though the pin snapped off. And once again, I'm replacing this actuator, this Splutch actuator, to resolve the problem.